In Hawaii, especially in Kauai, there are thousands of feral chickens running everywhere. They're on the road, they're in the road, they're in parking lots, they're down at the beaches, they're in the hillsides, they're just everywhere hoping to get fed. Now these chickens are part of a large feral group of chickens. And I am told that they have mated with the native chicken and that they are not particularly good to eat. Don't know, didn't try them, but nobody seems to be going out there to catch them. So my guess is that probably is true. Now, local that the Kauai chickens are descendants of birds that escaped from Hurricane Iowa in 1982 and then Hurricane Iniki in 1992 when the winds blew open the coops. Feral chickens are found on other Hawaiian islands, but not in the overwhelming numbers you see in Kauai. Part of the reason is that those two hurricanes had direct hits on Kauai, but just skirted around the other islands. When the first Polynesian peoples embarked on long ocean voyages to specks of islands in the expanse of the Pacific, they brought chickens along with them. And those chickens were much like the ancestral red jungle fowl. Needless to say, some of those chickens most likely escaped, mated with the native chickens, which resulted in these feral chickens that are overpopulating the islands now. One of the problems is that the Hawaiian government does not allow these chickens to be captured or eaten because the birds in Hawaii are protective species, including the chicken. So that is the story of the Hawaiian